Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping back by the channel. If you are new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you along for this all-natural life in this little red brick farmhouse. Here at the farmhouse, we do a lot of farming and gardening, homesteading, and a whole lot of DIY projects. And today we are going to be doing a DIY. We are going to be making our own all-natural hand sanitizer. This is a product that I like to make, especially this time of the year, because when I go into a store, I look at the grocery cart and I see leaky baby diaper, a child with runny nose chewing on the handle. I also see someone coming out of the bathroom who didn't wash their hands, grabbing their cart and walking off with it. So I definitely have a lot of hand sanitizer and I use it a lot. Unfortunately, when we use traditional hand sanitizer, it contains a high amount of alcohol, and that is very drying to our winter skin that is already dry already. So I'm going to use some essential oils that are very good at killing germs. They are antimicrobial, so they are going to kill not only germs but viruses and fungus. So anything that your hands get into, they are going to take care of. And it's going to have a product that is not drying to your skin. So with that being said, let's jump into this video. Okay, so we want to start mixing our oils together, and I'm actually going to start with cinnamon first. I like to start with oils that are the heaviest of scents. They have notes, what we call notes, and so cinnamon has the heaviest notes. So we're going to start with that. The cinnamon is a antibacterial. It is great for fighting infection. So I have put about 4 drops of cinnamon in this container. Next, I'm going to go with clove. Now, cinnamon and clove together are just a power-packed infection fighting. They are both antimicrobial, and again, that was 4 drops in here as well. Clove is a powerful germ fighter, and you know that cinnamon and clove are both used in products like toothpaste and dental products, so they are good at fighting germs. Next, we're going to use some lemon, and we're going to go with about 8 to 10 drops of lemon. Lemon is an antiseptic, it's a disinfectant, it's an antibacterial. Lemon is also an immune booster. So while you're putting it on, you are also boosting your immunity. And then we're just going to go with 3 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is, again, all 3 of those: antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. Now you do know that, bacteria and viral are different. Like sometimes we get a cold or a flu and it's we want to take an antibiotic, but an antibiotic isn't going to fix it because it's a virus, and viruses and bacteria act completely different. So this solution is going to do all of those things. Now, we talked about alcohol and it drying our hands, so we are using 100% aloe vera juice gel. Not juice, gel. And so we're just going to put that in there, and that is going to be our carrier for our oils. And we use this for sunburn, right? And what is our skin in the wintertime? It's windburn, it's dry. So this is the perfect product. So while I finish filling the bottle, I just want to chime in with a reminder that essential oils are very strong, and you should always dilute them very well. If you're going to use this particular recipe for a child or an elderly person with thin skin, you should totally dilute it down once again, maybe 8 to 10 drops for the entire bottle. And you could totally use unscented lotion or coconut oil as a carrier oil in this recipe as well. For this video, guys, I hope that you have learned a thing or two about essential oils. I know I get a lot of questions and comments for essential oils because it is just a huge part of our life here. I hope that you are using your essential oil cream, and that aloe vera is going to feel so good on your skin. I mean, after all, we do use it for sunburns, and the Clove and cinnamon oil, as I mentioned, are both warming oils, so when you're rubbing them in, it's going to help warm your hands, and these are going to do a great job at killing germs, keeping you safe, and not drying your skin. So alright guys, everyone, be blessed, be safe, and I'll see you next time.